Cualquier foto o pésimo abril, or in English it means any photo or you will have a bad April. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral add your sticker, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Now from here, you will have to go to April, add yours at highlights, which is here. And if you go to my story, then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. And if the highlights are not loading, don't worry, because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now you have to tap until you find your desired sticker. Here it is, click on the Add Yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial for you in the description box below. And now you just have to go to your uploads and choose any photo. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and share this with your friends. Guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible and help you out. And if it was this video useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.